first and foremost is at the first availability, they need to call the DMV Driver Safety Office and preserve their rights for an APS hearing. It's an important process, and there is a strict timeline to do that. If you're going to hire a lawyer, though, for strategic reasons, it's better to have the lawyer do that. The lawyer has the ability, they'll have a working knowledge of that office. They know the people that answer the phone. There's an ability to sort of try to pick and choose a better hearing officer and advise the DMV that they're not going to agree to any telephone testimony of any department witnesses. The second thing is this: you want to preserve your memory of the night. It's really important to establish what happened that led up to your arrest and the actual circumstances of your arrest. I tell all my clients, take notes. Do a 24-hour profile while everything is fresh in your head. Jot it down. The third thing, and this is really important, if the officer told you he stopped you for a mechanical violation, check your vehicle. Confirm that, in fact, there is a mechanical violation. What the officer says is true, or in the event it may not be true, photograph it. If the officer said he stopped you for having no brake lights, and yet you check your lights that next day when you're out, you see there are brake lights, photograph it, document it with date and time, and even have an independent witness there. The fourth thing you want to do, because timelines are so important involving DUI cases, you want to establish a good drinking timeline. Often ways you can do that is receipts. If you paid for your alcoholic beverages by way of credit card or debit card. Another way is to talk to people that you were with. See if they bought the drinks, if they have a credit card or debit card receipt, so we can establish those timelines. In addition, another way to do that is go back to the bar, talk to the bartender. They may remember you. They may have video of the inside of the bar, which normally will be gone in about 24 hours, 48 hours. They just tape over it. But if you get there early, you can preserve that evidence. And finally, the fifth thing that I always tell people that they should do is document witness statements. Make sure if they had friends there that they also record the information, because later they can be used as witnesses in both the DMV action to establish drinking timelines and your activities, especially if there are passengers in your cars. There are eyewitnesses to your driving and potentially the field sobriety test, as well as they're witnesses as to your mood, your spirit, your intoxication or lack of intoxication. So those are the 5 things that I think is extremely important to do immediately upon release from jail.